So what we have here is the disassembly of the Alliance Armament AMP upper for the SWD M11 submachine gun. This is after about 600 rounds shot through it over the past few days. First thing I'm going to do is remove the upper from the lower. I have a push pin. Our bolt gun's unloaded, bolt's closed, push pin out. It comes off. Here's the lower. You'll see here's the back, here's the spacer buffer. It's a combination guide rod, recoil rod, and ejector. You can see that's welded on right there. Off the side. Here's our spring. Here's our cocking knob. Here's the bolt. You can see the bolt is a square on one side, round Swami style on the other side with an AR-15 extractor. There's 3 sear catches here. The design of that feature is to allow softer shooting ammo to be able to be caught on one of these extra sears to help prevent a runaway, uncontrolled discharge runaway. You can see all the brass on the underside of the bolt here. It's cut for a double feed Swami 36 round magazine. Put that off to the side. I'm going to do a complete teardown, which means I'm going to remove the front grip and mag well. So you can look. You probably can't see inside it, but even after 600 rounds, there's virtually hardly any wear inside here. There's no dirt, no garbage. There's it's very, very clean. So step 1 is to remove the flash hider. Spins off with the crush washer. We take out the 4 screws that hold the grip on to the removable mag well. Pull off. Pin drops out that holds the mag well in place. It's just in there. This pops right off. And there is our mag well. You notice the mag well is a 2-piece style. Here's some screws here, here, here. Not that you would ever want to take it apart, but you could. But part of the reason is because the magazine catch here for the Swami style magazines is all inside this section here, and it'd probably be pretty hard to machine this out of one piece and still get all the springs and everything into here. So, and lastly, after that is the barrel is in here. This particular one has a little booger in there somewhere. I'm not quite sure where it is yet, but it really is just a matter of, in this case, a quick little tap. And it comes right out, slides all the way through the upper receiver. Again, this is after 600 rounds without being cleaned, so things are a little cruddy in there. So here's our barrel. You notice it has a cone on the chamber end. I see virtually no wear on the cone except for a small section where the bolt and the extractor come into contact with this. And that's it. That is the complete disassembly of the Alliance Armament AMP upper for the M11 submachine gun.